Hey guys, it's Christine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of ttdeye contacts. Let's see what's inside the box. On a side note, please ignore my nails. I haven't gotten a fill. It's quarantine time and yeah. So we got this cute little design inside. Really pretty artwork. They gave me 3 of these little contact cases, like containers and stuff. And it comes with like a little picker tool and a little eyelaw tool. Here we have a little figurine, very cute. I think it's Hatsune Miku. It also comes with a little mirror and some tattoos. Like, yeah, I'm trying to get it out, but I'm having a little bit of trouble. Yeah, here you go. You can see the tattoos. And yeah, this little hand mirror and a little card. And here we have the contacts. Like I said, I bought 3 of them, 3 different colors. So I bought Polar Lights Brown, here is HD Green, and lastly we have Polar Lights Gray. So I went ahead and soaked them for 8 hours as instructed overnight, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like in the case and on my eyes. Here we have HD Green. It shows up as like a light yellowish, light greenish in the container. Here it is on my eyes, very pretty, very natural, and very comfortable. Next we have Polar Lights Brown. It kind of looks the same as HD Green on my eyes, but it's a little different, so I'm not complaining. And lastly we have Polar Lights Gray, by far my favorite. It's super pretty. Hey guys, sorry for the change in like looks, because I just got off of work and I wanted to film an outro for my video. So overall, ttdeye, I've had a good experience with them. I've ordered from them for a while now, and the contacts always come as advertised on the website, and they're also really comfortable. And yeah, the only downside to ttdeye is the shipping. They take about 2 weeks to arrive, 2 weeks or longer to arrive depending on where you are, as far as I know. But yeah, thanks for watching you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I don't know how YouTubers do this. Yeah, okay, bye!